랭가쇼 창마 심자 랭가쇼 남두 랭가쇼 남두 루티 반티 안 반티 어두 남두 남라땅 남두 땅땅땅 남두 남라땅 타주 남라땅땅 땀 남라땅 남두 어마.
Migrants, particularly nomads, are among the most marginalized social groups. They are widely excluded from educational provision despite pledges of education for all. The phenomenon of constant movement itself presents challenges for both providers and the users of educational services. Nomads in Changdang region of southeastern Ladakh in India are no exception. They are unable to enroll their children in kindergartens because they cannot stay in and near settlements for a long time and the children are too young to be sent away. Luckily for nomadic camps of Changdang, Samey and now in Makyu, young children learn to read, write and get accustomed to classrooms and school cultures until they are old enough to go to boarding schools in the settlements. Thanks to a young Tibetan who hails from one of these nomadic camps in Ladakh, Tsering Dolden. Let us meet Tsering and know more about his initiative in educating nomadic children in Changdang.
Thank you for having me here, Kinla. Tsering, first of all, could you introduce yourself to us?
Well, yeah, my name is Tsering Dolden, and I'm born and raised in Tibetan nomad exile called Samey, and I'm a student. I'm doing sociology on master in LPU.
So it has been 4 years since you started this initiative of educating nomadic children in Changdang region. Tell us about it. What do you do?
I started this journey in 2017 mid-August, and I took off 1 year from the college, and I brought some stationery books and toys for kids by my college expenses. And then I back to my home and I started this journey. My main objective is to bring awareness on the value of education among the nomadic kids and children and their parents. And second, we try to build the strong infant reading and writing habit with games and arts and so on. And third, we try to promote the confident and free and forward thinking among the nomadic kids. And we have 3 programs in a year, and regular one 10th class, and summer camp, and winter education camp. The regular class below 6 years, we have almost like a 9 to 10 month regular classes, including winter camp. And other they we held the summer camp in the 7 days. We invited the resources person from the different places, and also we organized the different program. And winter tuition also we cover the homework. Along with that, we also try to build more focus on the 2 linguistic and also reading habits and all the things we are doing in the past.
Right. So for reading 2 languages, it's English and Tibetan?
Yeah, also with all the subjects we are trying to cover it, because the student has a lot of homework in the winter time. So we try to cover all these things through the winter education camp.
Up to 6 years of age, they enroll in the 10th class, that is regular class.
Yeah.
And there you teach English and Tibetan reading, writing, and
Yeah, kindergarten student, we are more focusing on the playing games and arts, and also we are focusing what they teach in the school kindergarten school.
Right. So they know
yeah,
how
we try to follow
work.
those things. Yeah.
Right. So up to the age of 6 years, the children are enrolled in regular classes, 10th class throughout the year.
Yeah.
And children from 6 years of age until 10th grade, they have summer and winter class.
Yes,
right.
Definitely.
Okay, great. So Tsering, what did you think? Like, how did the idea come to you about taking this initiative?
Yeah, thank you. This I just found in my mind since from the children, because nomad kids are joining to school after age of the 6. So And also, I know that because I attend some workshop through the Manjushri the early child education is very important.
Right.
We never know about that, you know. When I was children, I never heard about it. So it's very important. This also this main reason. And also, I was amazed by I was amazed and thrilled by there's a lot of organizations and good people around me, because I have a Sister Tenzin since from the beginning. She helped me. Also my parents, because parents are uneducated. Both are uneducated.
So, like, speaking about funds,
Yeah.
How do you manage to, you know, pay the teachers? How do you manage the
Absolutely.
salaries for the teachers, buying stationaries for the school? How do you manage the financial aspect of it?
Yeah, if you wanted to do something, financial aspect is very difficult. One of the biggest challenges, you know. So first year I spent by myself from my family, and also Sister Tenzin contribute me. And then since from that 3 years, now it's 4 years ago, you know. And also there are organizations like Manjushri and Tibet Fund, they funded me, you know. Without fund, it's very difficult. Yeah.
So apart from the financial challenges that
Yeah.
you have faced, what other challenges do you face or you have faced earlier?
Yeah, there's a lot of challenges if you, because this is my first time in my life I'm doing such a volunteer work.
And
you
you're
know.
young too, you're still studying.
Yeah, yeah, I'm part of that. I'm doing this project, and first is shortage of time, and also people, especially my nomad people, they are very difficult to understand of what is the meaningful of education. So it's very difficult to me, you know, convey them. And second thing is I faced how to arrange the teacher for my nomadic camp. You know, during this lockdown, I held almost like a whole year, so we have a class.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I really think carefully about the teacher, especially teacher is very difficult to me because we are living in a high altitude and also lack of facility. And so that's why I'm looking for the more experienced teacher with very dedicated and hard work and commitment. Yeah.
Right. That's a great thing to know that the school kept going even during the period of lockdown due to the COVID.
Yeah, that's very fortunate to me.
Right,
Yeah.
indeed. And talking about teachers, how do you manage to take teachers along with migrating families, along with the school, the entire classroom you take along?
Yeah, because I was there. I think if I was there, then I will take care of that. I will try to bear the pain. If there's anything big problem, I will try to fix it. And if I wasn't there, then those children those parents who has children in the school are responsibility to shift those staff and those necessary things to the other place. In our society, we have lots of good persons. I noticed that, you know, but we are not using that because. So that's why I try to invite them to my community and arranging the talks and try to sometimes small kind of workshop. And so through that way, we are trying to build the awareness among my community peoples and try to reach another society.
How many students are currently enrolled in the program, and do you have any plans to expand your initiative in further in other regions of Changdang?
Yes, definitely. We have actively participate around 50 students, and direct and indirect we have around 70 students under my project. And also I went to visit the different nomad places, settlement, and then some of nomad are still facing this kind of challenges. So I try to fix it because, and I have a meeting with those young people who are studying in the college
And
very
who belong
soon.
to the nomadic camps.
Very soon, because I organize this, and I'll try to make it possible for them. And in fact, I need more educated from the nomad settlement, I need more PhD and doctors and engineering and best of best artists from the nomad community.
Right.
Yeah.
We all do.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tsering, for being with us and for taking your time out for this interview. And also, we would like to wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Chupa macam lo, oh cuyak kucak ah, tadi jangan tu yiri jangan ada.